In this video, I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Facebook. Let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook app. Find the friend's profile you want to unfriend. You can do this by tapping on the search bar in the upper right corner of your screen. Now type the friend's name and click on his profile. When you're on his profile page, you'll see 3 icons: friends, message, and 3 dots. Tap on the friends icon. Tapping friends gives you options: follow, take a break, edit friend list, and unfriend. To remove this friend, simply choose unfriend option. Please note that unfriend means that the person will be removed from your friends list, and you'll be removed from theirs as well, and the person you unfriend won't be notified. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.